I got in this period, or I got in this trade when it pulled back to this volume area low to here. I'm looking for come back to the half back, possibly higher if we can get some momentum going. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. So the whole reason I got in this trade is they kept shorting this and they weren't making any progress past this half back. So when this pulled back into this area, I got in this thinking that they're going to give up on this because they just weren't making any progress. You got H, I, J, now K is even less. And when they give up, that'll give me some momentum back to this upside here. Figure that should at least take me back to my first target, should be about 1150. Ideally, I could have gotten down here, but how did you know how low it was going to go? I have my stops down here, 75. That's just the most I was willing to risk on this. Now, if this trade's going to work, when this next time period comes out, it shouldn't go below this K. One minute till that L period comes out. I'm expecting this to make an attempt to break this K, even if it only gets down in here or double check my targets. We'll bring this to the 11 at the 40 ticks. Now you have H, I, J, and K that are all higher than the last. So first we need to get over this market profile POC here. And then the first objective is to get over K. Then you'll be looking at the POC. And then we'll be right at our first target. if we do get up here, I'll be bringing the stop up behind it. One thing I don't like is we are still stuck in yesterday's value area. That's this purple highlighted area. You can see the high right here. It is working. I mean, it is um, working its way through here. Looks like it's going to make an attempt to break this K. Bring these up now. Oh, 06, I believe, is 5 points. $775 is my 27, so I'll lock that in. So what I'm watching for here is one of those flush outs that's been going on all day, but now we are single time framing up. So, but we just come right up to the POC. I'm going to lock my first contract in at the 6 3/4 points, which is 27 ticks. You also have the RTH VWAP coming through here as well. I'm going to keep tucking this up on this first contract. It's because it's stalling out here. It'd be 29 ticks. it in even tighter. Take that first one right here. Give myself a little room on this one. Just wasn't making it through that POC, so started to feel irresponsible to not take some of that. That was over 7 points. So here we go. Now we can move this one up. Oh, 9 is 32. So we'll leave this one down here. And there's our 40 ticks. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'm going to secure that 40 ticks if we can get up over it. It's just trying really hard. Actually, let's just take it right here. 37 ticks in that last contract. Good trade. I wanted more, but it just wasn't cutting through here like I wanted it to.